A brutal accident took place in this area just a few days ago. Yet these hazards are still lying here.
Prince Chaudhary reporting for Pune Times Mirror, live and exclusive on the Nagar Road. Just yesterday, we did a shoot regarding these concrete blocks falling onto roads. But in this case, it is different because behind me, there are a lot of concrete blocks which have fallen onto one side of the road. It appears, due to a massive impact by a four-wheeler or a heavy vehicle. You can see that a crane is putting it back into place right now, but there is severe damage to these concrete blocks. They have cracked, they have broken, and the inside rods are still sticking out, which holds it together. This seemed like a massive collision. It probably happened sometime in the night or early morning. So the crane is lifting it. Many of the blocks have been put back in position, and we'll take a small walk to check where all this impact has taken place. There are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, over 5 blocks. Some of them have been put into place. The crane is now putting it back. So this is Nagar Road. It's one of the busiest thoroughfares of the city. It's one of the highly congested arterial roads. And all along you can see here, there is a huge gap. There is a huge gap here where this block is going to be put. So now the crane is moving backwards to place that concrete block in place so that the median is now in sync. So this keeps happening very, very frequently, where impacts from heavy vehicles which collide with these concrete blocks, probably they're overspeeding, maybe the drivers are under the influence of alcohol. So on impact, the concrete blocks, huge blocks, shatter, get damaged, and fall onto the one side, right in path, protruding on the way of incoming vehicles. You can see the vehicles coming from the opposite side. They are in a huge speed. This vehicle comes from Kharadi and other side. Okay, so these concrete blocks have moved and now being put into place. And further down, you can also see there's a block which has fallen here. So all along this road, Nagar Road, such accidents keep on happening. There is one block on this side as well. About 2 months ago, there was another massive accident where 15-20 of them had been dislodged. So you can see that, and this is not a synchronized, seamless, jointless kind of median. So on impact, they fall onto one side in the way of oncoming traffic, posing a serious accident risk. Many accidents have taken place where two-wheelers have got hurt and injured. No fatalities yet, but four-wheelers keep colliding and impacting with these concrete blocks, pushing them on to the side of the road. Also, there's another thing which one needs to notice. Two-wheeler riders, with the help of others, push some of these concrete blocks away to one side so that they can make place to go from one carriage over to the another carriageway from one side of the road, which is again illegal. You can see in the distance, that's what they're doing. The two-wheelers are going in from one side of the carriageway to the other side, right in the path of oncoming vehicles. This could lead to a serious accident. You can see how dangerous it is. This is another issue. So concrete blocks impacting, falling down, two-wheeler riders moving these concrete blocks, going away from one side to the other or the other side to here. So now the traffic police has to make sure that, and the PMC, that a seamless, no joint median is created so that these blocks don't fall over to one side. Prince Chaudhary signing off for Pune Times Mirror from Nagar Road with camera person Swapnil.